guys, and welcome back to my channel Tripplers Creations. And let me introduce myself as Arjun Krishna, and in this video I am going to unbox Redmi Note 11. And please watch my complete video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe. So let's unbox it.
So we have the Redmi Note 11. Then it has been written as India's #1 smartphone brand. And we have the 4GB, 64GB variant and color space black. Okay, so I have removed the seals already. Okay, let's open the box. So we have a paper box written as powered by Redmi. Okay, let's check what's inside the box. So we have SIM ejection tool, quick start guide and a crystal clear back case. The quality of the back case is good. Okay. So we have 33-watt fast charger, and in this price range it's good. Okay. So we have a Type-C cable. Okay, let's keep these things aside. Come to a smartphone. Let's remove the wrapper. Okay, and there is a sticker also. Let's remove it. Okay, the phone looks great, and the smartphone has a boxy design, and it is missing. So it has stereo speakers, which is also good in this price segment. Okay, let's boot it up. So we can see the Xiaomi logo here and powered by Android. Okay. So we have successfully booted the smartphone. Okay. Wow. Phone looks great. So this smartphone comes with a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz, but we can change it into 90 Hz. That's also amazing. That's very smooth. But there are many pre-installed apps in this device, but we can uninstall them. Let's check the fingerprint scanner. Okay. It's very fast. It's very fast. Okay, that's it.
So friends, thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.